The home inspection report back, and there was a foundation crack, which is not uncommon. A lot of houses have foundation cracks. But since this house was close to the office, I actually wanted to investigate myself, and so we actually hired a contractor to come and take a look at it at our expense. That's what we do for our clients. And when we got there, it looked like as long as the cracks were not shaped in like a stair step, they weren't detrimental to the house. The house wasn't going to fall over. There was a bulge at the top of the back of the foundation. What we're going to use is a fiber strap, the contractor is going to use a fiber strap to seal that, and then they're just going to use epoxy in the other cracks, and that's going to take care of the repair. So it actually turns out that it wasn't actually a big deal. We learned that those foundation cracks are commonplace. The inspector said he sees them multiple times a day. So it looked like everything's going to be a go with this house.